Hey, this is Josh with Growlink, and in today's walkthrough we'll be going over how to create a preset. A preset is a group of sensors and devices that allow you to take a quick look at a specific window of time for the sensors that you care to know about. In a panel that has a bunch of I/O, it can be really helpful to have a group of presets that are looking at, say, your environmentals or your substrate data at a specific window of time that you commonly check, so it's easy for you to look at the important data for daily decisions at a regular basis. To do so, you'd first select the type of data that you want to look at. In this case, we have a PIC that we're looking at the first port of data for both moisture, temperature, and EC. We'll first start by selecting a time range. In this case, I've got last day selected. A module. In this case, we're just looking at our PIC for flower 1. The data points. In this case, we're looking at soil moisture, soil temperature, and soil EC. And then the specific sensors we want to look at. In this case, we're just looking at zone 1. So we're looking at substrate moisture 1, substrate temperature 1, and substrate EC 1. Once we've got all the data that we want to have assigned to a preset, we'll click the preset selection, and then click Add New Preset. All we'll need to do here is give the preset a name. In this case, we'll choose Zone 1 Last Day. So now that we have this preset made, if I go and remove this preset or start looking around at other data, changing the time frame, looking at different sensors, and I want to go and look back at that particular grouping or time that I've set in the previous preset, all I need to do is go up to Preset Selection, click the preset I've already made, and it will automatically select the time selection, the modules, all the sensor data that I've chosen. In this way, you can make a bunch of presets that are specific to your particular needs and reference them on a daily basis for a controller that you're routinely checking for your cultivar. This concludes how to set up presets within Portal 2.0.